Video.
No.
Video.
Ito. Video, ha?
Yeah.
How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning to video. Binidyo niya ang kanyang property. Videos, properties videos.
Video?
Welcome.
Yeah.
Gay. Gay. Video, naka-video yan. Post. Makikita ko yan pag pinost. You what?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you from?
Canada.
Wow. Congratulations. Welcome to Philippines.
Oh, thank you.
Canada.
Yeah.
Okay. Talagang nakabit. Oh, oh no. Cleaning. May banana.
Yeah.
More banana. I like banana.
Me too.
Oh.
Masarap.
Delicious.
Yes.
Oh, Filipino food, banana.
Banana, cassava, coconut.
Yes, coconut
Buko.
is beautiful fruit.
Buko is life.
What?
Buko is life.
Buko. And UTI.
Oh.
What? Buko with UTI applicable.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Medicine.
Yes. Medicine, buko, applicable for health,
Yeah, yeah.
good health. Fresh buko is applicable my bodies and good health.
Uh-huh.
From UTI,
Mm-hmm.
ano yung drink,
Yeah.
may water.
Yes, yes.
Okay, plus coconut leaves is around to ceiling.
Banana leaf.
No.
Oh, coconut leaf?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, coconut leaves na yung sa ceiling
Yeah, yeah.
is beautiful. Banana, no, not applicable banana. Banana is no.
Only umbrella when it's raining.
Yes. Ganyan.
Yeah, yeah. Very effective.
Ah. Guava, good health.
If you have cut,
No.
yes. If you have cut, injury,
Yes. Ano siya? Like example,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Or tea,
yes,
yeah,
it's so nice.
yes.
My guava leaves is very applicable. My teeth,
Brushing the teeth?
yes,
Oh,
yeah.
where do you live?
Ano, same country, Philippines.
Yes, but here, barangay too?
Barangay Caluangan, Magallanes, Cavite.
Kaluan.
Yes, Caluangan,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
proper.
Okay.
Then, my work in General Trias
Uh-huh.
from real estate. Yun.
Ah,
My habit is sales agent.
sales.
Sales agent about like lot, farm lot, house and lot, other buildings with for sale.
Oh, this one is for sale.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's mine.
For sale?
Yes.
How many per square meter, sir?
It's 1,400, sweetie. 1,400.
1,000 something, 1,000 square meter?
1,918.
Oh, 1,918 per square meter. How much square meter?
No, 1,918 square meter.
Oh, no.
1,400
Please.
per square meter.
Your property?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one, this one, this one, and this one.
Yeah, very good. Nice.
Yeah.
My Philippine is applicable for investment.
Yeah.
And your house?
Yep.
Okay. Nice. I down the fruit. Listen. Yeah. Cut from here. Higher. Vegetable.
Gabby.
Yes, gabi. Gabi share in coconut with ginger, salt,
Onion, garlic.
garlic. Is beautiful. Is sweet for eating
Yeah.
for lunch.
Yes. And papaya.
Yes, papaya is applicable beautiful skin
Yeah.
every day.
Like this.
Yes, dinner, lunch, and supper. Yung this sa ano is before sleeping you eat in papaya. It's beautiful skin.
Yeah. How old are you, Ati?
What?
How old are you?
47.
47.
Yes, my birthday is March 6.
Oh.
Next year is 40. Oh, go.